Hey little readers, it's another Digraph Day. To remind us what digraphs are, here's our Digraph Rap. Digraphs, they're the key. 2 letters, 1 sound for you and me. Put them together and you'll see the light. In the world of reading, they make it right. So this week's digraph is the other sound of t and t and the first sound was voiced, but the second sound is unvoiced, and it's same action, same song. Okay, so it's the rude clowns sticking their tongues out. Ready?
Did you ever hear a rude clown make this sound and that sound? Did you ever hear a rude clown say the th?
This week, we focus on the voiceless. Now, let's look at some words that have the sound in them. Sometimes you can find them at the beginning or at the end, and sometimes in the middle. So, let's try the easy ones. As always, I will do the action and you sound them out and try to read them before they pop out, okay? Okay, so word number 1 is E. Again. E. What is it? Thin. Thin. You're right. Second word is B. A. Again. B. A. What is it? Ba. Ba. Next is longer, a little bit longer, is E. K. Again. E. K. What is it? Think. Think. Now we have O. O. Did you get it? You're right, it's moth. Now, we have a double digraph. Ready? E and again. T. E and teeth. If you got that, you're really getting better. It's solo work time. So, as always, with my help doing the actions and the sound outs that you will see while you sound out the letters, you can put them together and create the word. Ready? So, challenge, you'll be encountering some double digraphs. Okay, ready? First is again. You're right, it's the number 3. Next is again. What is it? Thick. Thick. Next, let's have again. It's claw. Claw. And then we have again. It's north. North. Last word for today is again. I'm sure you got that. Path. Path. Brilliant. As always, you are so good. So if you rapped and sang with me today and you had fun, don't forget to like, subscribe, and I will see you in the next digraph.